There are many environmental issues plaguing our world right now, and we don't have that much time to act. For instance, by 2030, global temperatures could reach an irreversible tipping point, forcing potentially tens of millions of people into extreme poverty and a huge increase in the unpredictability of natural disasters. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is an area in the Pacific Ocean that contains 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic, occupying 1.6 million square kilometers of space, which is around twice the size of the state of Texas in the United States. The plastic in the ocean is expected to triple within the next 7 years. Now, this is not only a frightening illustration of a part of humanity's impact on the planet, but also worrisome for marine life that is threatened by the plastic. But there are ways we can go about lessening problems such as these as a school. Take recycling, for example. Recycling is the process of collecting waste materials and breaking them down into their components that can be turned into new products. Using recycled materials in the manufacturing process uses considerably less energy than that required for producing new products from raw materials. Recycling also means much less waste would end up in landfills. But this is given that items are recycled in the first place. As a school, we could be doing a much better job of lowering our carbon footprint, especially through recycling. So what can we do to help? Well, all we ask is that we segregate our waste. Unfortunately, even one item in the wrong bin means that the bin can't be recycled at all, as sifting through each bin is inefficient and demanding. A lot of the waste produced in the school is from the Casilla, and while unfortunately the packaging of most items can't be recycled, there are a few. The cardboard packaging of the ice cream can be recycled in the paper bins. Plastic bottles can be put in the plastic bottle recycling, but it's always better to use your own bottle, as many students are already doing. Fruit and salad boxes can be recycled in the plastic bins. You can also check the packaging to see if items are recyclable or not. The Week at a Glance sheets have meant over 50,000 sheets of paper have been distributed just in the 10 weeks of this school year. And that's just Week at a Glance, which doesn't account for assignment sheets, printed readings, tests, and quizzes. We have cut down over 6 trees just for Week at a Glance sheets so far this year. Each classroom has a box for paper recycling, and we should consider using them to redirect papers that we are done with. We're also working on recycling the 1 cubic meter of food waste that is produced every day from the dining hall back into the soil through composting. It is important to recycle our trash in the right places: the plastic bottle bins, the paper bins, and the general trash bins. Soon we will be opening up our own recycling plant at the school, and we would appreciate help in responsibly segregating waste and being conscious of the amount of waste we produce, so that we can reduce our carbon footprint and play our part in working towards a cleaner Earth.